Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at the airport now. I just made a few security. It's like what? 7:13 and our flight is at like 9 something. We're gonna get something to eat. And yeah man. I'm sorry, like, I literally have zero energy because like, I haven't eaten. But it's calm, it's calm, it's calm. Once I've eaten, it's gonna be calm. What is it with? Is it with ramen noodles? About to get Wagamama guys. But I don't know what to get, I can't lie. Yeah, long day. I just got squid. That's about it. I don't want to go to, because I think we're getting dinner on the plane. But yeah, man, I'm just ready to sleep. I can't lie. I'm hungry as well, like. Alright guys, we're about to go to the gate now to board the plane. What's the time now? 1 second. 8:45. What time's our flight again? 9:30, so I keep forgetting. I don't know nothing. But yeah, I've eaten, I can't lie. I had my squid. It was meaty, I can't lie. It was actually so dead. It weren't worth the money at all. Just landed in Dubai, yeah? It's 7:29. I think Dubai is 3 hours ahead from England, yeah, so I think in London it's like, what, 4 in the morning. Who's rating the bonnet and hat look, fam? I'm rating it still. Yeah. Let me give you guys an apartment tour. We got the dining table, and then we got the living room here. It's quite a big size, I can't lie. Then we got a toilet here. Not major. Around here, we got a room. No one's gonna use this room, so it's like a spare room. We've got a toilet there. And then we've just got a single bed here. Not major. And then back through where we came, we've got the kitchen. This is where, I don't know, yeah. We're gonna be cooking breakfast. Yeah, we're gonna get some stuff from the shop and then, And yeah, then we come back where we came from. Alright, now we're back where we are. I've got a mirror here, like a big mirror. Show them out, please. Yes, then we come around here. We've got another room here. Got some storage space. Okay, she don't want to show the storage space. Yeah, we come right here. We got a washing machine in here, but yeah. We got a toilet. Let's come inside actually. We got a bath. We have a shower? Yes, we got a shower as well. And then we got straight across. Please put it on me! Straight across we got another room. Big TV as well. Yeah, I can't lie, I'm not liking the brown light. It's yeah, anyways. Follow me again. This is our last room. This is the master's. Oh, they got a balcony. Yeah, we have a balcony up there. Let's go out. Let's go out to the balcony, guys. Let's go out to the balcony. Let's go out to the balcony. Okay, so over here, another bathroom. Oh, they got storage space too. Oh, we got a safe. Hair dryer. Got more space. And then we got the one with the bathroom. Bath and shower as well. And yeah, that's it for the tour, guys. Yeah. Day one in Dubai, I can't lie. Had to get the lighting. Look at me now. I'm holding back the curtains, but yeah, day one in Dubai. I'm gonna give you a fit check, but yeah, man. I think we're about to go to the mall, but yeah, let me just show you my fit. Alright, guys, this is the fit. I decided to wear blue today because I thought I don't know, but I just decided to put on something light, you know. First day, don't wanna go too over the top yet, but yeah, I got on these blue shorts. Just a white vest, and then this top matches the shorts, but I hate the top, so every time I wear this fit, I just wrap it around my neck, because you know the blue just matches. White socks. Right now I've got on black sliders, but I don't know what to put on my feet. I don't know whether to be stylish or comfortable, because Air Forces, like, I wouldn't say that they're comfortable, but sliders are comfortable, but they're black now. Anyway, I got these blue glasses as well. I'm gonna wear. Yeah, and then for jewelry, I've just gone for the cross chain, one cross earring, and then the normal 3 that I have, and then this ring. Yeah, that's all. Oh, and my silver, and my tooth. Yeah, but that's the fit, guys. Listen, let me know if you like this one. I gotta put you onto this perfume. I'm not gonna gatekeep, but yeah. Basically, you can get it in Zara. Like this, beautiful, guys. Made it to the Dubai Mall. We're just gonna look around. I can't buy some shopping as well. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. Like, it's noisy, but I'll try to speak as loud as possible. So I can't lie, today ain't been a madness. We basically just came to the mall. We need to do shopping, like, to get breakfast stuff and stuff. We're about to go to the food court to get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat, but I can't lie. But you know, it's the first day, like, we're just trying to be chill, you know. But yeah, we'll definitely come back again and like properly do like shopping and stuff. But yeah, first day. Yeah, just a chill day. Alright guys, we're in Waitrose, yeah, and they got some next popcorn, like, look at these. M&M's, Chips Ahoy, Snickers. Like, are you crazy? Think we'll get this in the UK? Like, this is a long day. Should we get one?
Yeah, let's get the Twix one.
Out of all of them.
So what one should we get then?
Snickers. Everyone eats Snickers. Twix is dead chocolate. Okay. Guys, we're gonna try them. Don't worry, I'll be in the gym tomorrow. Like, calm. Guys, look at all the cereals. Like, I've never seen this in my life. Wait, maybe the ones I'm showing you I've seen. 1 second. Like, what's Lion? Anyone know what Lion is? And what else? Kit Kat cereal. Like, what? What else is that? Like Fruity Pebbles, like Long day.
Never give you perfume not good. I swear. I show you something before you go.
men?
Unisex. I show you something before you go. This here, UK.
This is the best one I've
This
smelled.
all friends in England, sister. All friends in UK. I have.
We've gone on a walk now. I've been feeling cold because inside the aircon is like a lot in it. So you'd prefer to be outside until it gets too hot. Do you get me?